Hi, I'm Bonnie Kempke, and I want to do one more hooping example using my Cutie Breeze. So one of the things that we often do when we're hooping is we shift needle down, and that's to save position. And so for my borders on this test panel, I have decided to use a clamshell ruler. Now, always use the ruler that's appropriate to your machine. I have a Baby Lock Allegro. It has a short shank, so I'm using a short shank ruler and a short shank ruler presser foot. I'm going to be shifting this quilt needle down. Let me show you. The needle is down. I can't move. That's because the needle is in the material at a point in my ruler work or my design. It doesn't have to be ruler work. The needle is down in a point that I don't want to lose. So needle down, and I'm going to begin shifting. And it's pretty much rehooping just like anything else, except that the needle is down. So let me just start. Now, my needle is down, so my position is going to be pretty much protected, but I'm going to just go ahead and use the bean bags, the weights, just to be careful and make sure that I don't lose too much of my position on the frame. So I've completely unclipped. The needle is down. All I have to do is quietly move her over. Notice that the machine moves right along with her. As long as I don't yank and run into things, that needle being down is not a problem. A little more space. So now we just begin clipping. And for this, we just make sure that the clip pulls material at the same tension. I don't like that one. There we go, much better. Notice how I have to work around the machine because the needle is down. And that's fine. Just have to ease things in there. And there you have it. Totally hooped. There's nothing in the back, so I don't need the coils. This is the top of my quilt. So there you have it. Rehooped, needle down. I hope that helps you in your journey. Hope to see you again here on Quilting on a Thread. Bye-bye now.